28 days ago, I went ahead and started an automated AI website. And in today's video, I'm going to share everything with you. I'll share with you the numbers. We'll look at the analytics. We'll also look at the website. And basically, I'll break down the whole concept for you. And the other thing, what we're going to do is we're going to put the myth as it is to bed. Because many people think you can't, create content with AI and get it to rank in Google. I'm going to prove to you you can do. So let's dive in. Hello and welcome to today's video. So let's just dive straight into this, and I'll give you a bit of a backstory as well so you can see everything I am sharing with you is, in fact true when it comes to this method for making money online and from home. So over here, this is my online training platform, if you like to call it that. Now inside of here, we have multiple methods for making money online and from home. We have a newsletter, an interview series, and lots more. And basically, everything I'm doing in my own online business to earn money goes inside of here. So if we're looking at things like affiliate marketing, everything's in here. Same with YouTube, okay? Now down here as well, sorry, let me just get rid of that. Down here we have case studies and workshops. So what we like to do is to prove that, we actually are doing these methods and making money, we go ahead and do case studies every 4 to 6 weeks. Now this is the latest one. It's the automated affiliate website. So I am an affiliate for a piece of software, and obviously I'm not going to promote something that A, I don't use myself, and B, I'm not, I'm not happy with it and I'm not seeing results. So in the university, this is the full case study of, basically what I'm going to be sharing with you today. So if you are in the university, be sure to go through and have a look at this, okay? Well, let's dive in and I'll show you the website and everything we're doing, okay? So the website this case study is on was this one over here. Let me go over here now. Is this one here. It's called We Make Money with AI. And you can see on here, everything on here, whether it's side hustles, affiliate marketing, reviews, text generators, etc., this is all to do with earning from AI. So we're not interested in different ways of utilizing it. It's specifically for making money with AI. The reason why I picked this niche is, whether we like it or not, AI is only going to get bigger and better over the coming weeks, months, and years. So I thought I'm going to try and capitalize on the growth with this, and obviously people are interested in making money with this. So that's the website, and that was the logic behind this. Now at this moment in time on the website, we've got 134 articles, okay? Now let me dive into the back end and show, in fact, let me just pause here for a second, okay? I've jumped a step ahead. Let's come over here and get this out of the way. So over here, I have just typed in, does Google allow AI content? And you can go through this process yourself, because believe it or not, I read a lot of these. I went through the Google for developers. I went through this article. I went through this. I went through a lot of these different articles. And one I've just opened up before this video is this one over here. It's this article. Does Google penalize AI content? In short, no. And they've got proof from 4 case studies. So you can go ahead and have a look at this article over on SEO.ai. Go through and have a look at this, because they've got 4 different articles on here showing you all of this. Another thing to know, and there's something again what people ask is, if you have an AI website, can you monetize it with Google AdSense? Yes, is the short answer. I'll show you another example. This over here is a website called Voyage Voices. The owner of the software that I am using to create my own website, this one over here, he's created his own websites using this software. And you can see down here, this over here is indeed an ad from Google. And there's many more on here. Another one down here. So you can monetize with ads. You can get your content to rank in Google, and Google will not penalize your content, providing you follow the guidelines. Now, what are the guidelines? So literally, you can just go over to this article, and it's Google search guidance about AI generated content, okay? So let me get rid of this. And basically, it will walk you through this. Essentially, what they are saying is, they don't care whether it's being created by AI. Google will reward high quality content, however it's produced. That's from Google Search Central. So anyone who's telling you online that you can't create content with AI and have it ranking on Google, or you can't earn money from paid ads, it's nonsense. This is from Google, and we have many case studies proving that this content does work, okay? So that's that myth out of the way. It reminds me of the old myth with you cannot get a YouTube channel monetized with AI voice. You can do. I have one. I have an AI channel, so you can do. Okay. So now we've put that myth to bed. Okay. Let's come back over here to. Let's go to the website. So this is the website. This is how it looks. All of the content on here has been created using AI. Okay, straightforward and simple. How do I create the content? I'll show you. So what we do is I come over here inside of the software. Okay, on the left hand side, we've got campaigns, content, connect sites. So basically, if you have no experience or no knowledge whatsoever when it comes to creating a website, buying a URL, etc., inside of here, if I come over here to resources, I'll show you this now. Scroll down, we've got campaign setup videos. So if I scroll down here, you can see we've got this here. So let's go to get started. Look, quick start tutorial. It literally walks through this. There's a video on every single one here. That's video. And you go through these videos. Look, there's 8 videos from memory. And each video, they're not long. So if I click on here, well, that one's 12 minutes. That's the longest one. If I come back up here, let's click on this one here. You can see the really short videos like this one here, 4 minutes. Scroll up. This one is 2 minutes. Come up here, this one here, this get you open API key, 2 minutes. I picked the longest one in the beginning, didn't I? But this is it. So if you have no experience or no knowledge, you go through this. Once you've gone through these videos and followed what Chris shares with you, you have your name, you have your domain name, you have your website, and you connect it to the software. And it genuinely is straightforward. You don't need any knowledge, any skills, or any experience to set this whole thing up. Once you've gone ahead and connected your website to the software over here, it's really straightforward. We come down here and we click on campaigns and we click on a new campaign. From this point here, you've got a number of options. We can create an informational post. We can have Amazon product reviews. We can do other product reviews, and that's for anything, by the way. It can be a physical product, a digital product. It could be a product whereby you're finding that over on ClickBank or Warrior Plus or anything, basically. You can even take a YouTube video and it will create content for you from the video, and they've also just introduced an RSS feed. So basically, you pick one, okay? Scroll down here, you give it a name, and then you put in the URL here, or keywords. And all you're doing here is you're just filling in these boxes. You can add in your affiliate link on here, and it puts banners into the posts for you. You can add video embeds, images. It will search YouTube for related videos. And you can see on here lots of options. And all you're doing is you're just going down and you're filling this in. You've got options for multiple languages in here, as you can see. Tone of voice, you can change your tone of voice down here. Lots of options here. And then we scroll down, how many posts do we want it to create? And then we can either publish immediately or on a schedule. You can even give it a custom title, okay? And once you click on create, the software will go ahead and create the content for you, depending on whether you want it to publish immediately or on a schedule. And it genuinely is straightforward, okay? So if I come over here now and click on content, you will see. So if I scroll down here, you can see, look, this one here, Clap AI Review, Clap AI Review, that is an article over on the website. You can see this was done yesterday. Number of words, 1,600. I've got this one over here going on a niche website. And if we scroll down here, you can see we've got a review article. We've got an informational article, so like frequently asked questions. We've got Amazon product reviews here. And then I've got lots more content in here, informational posts and other bits, okay? So let me come over here. Let's go to this one. And you can see on here, look, is AI really in demand? Make money with automated websites. Koala writer, is this the best, etc. Okay, so all of the content over here on this website over here has been created using AI software, okay, and it really is straightforward and simple. And if I go into any one of these, let's just click on this koala writer. I'll show you the actual articles, because the content it creates is brilliant. And the thing why I like this AI software over other ones in the marketplace is it's being created by an affiliate marketer. So Chris, who's coded it up, well, it's his software. He's worked with some developers, and Chris is a full-time affiliate marketer. So he's got what he has in his head. He's got them to go through and code it to how he would review articles traditionally with affiliate marketing. So you can see on here, look, why consider the product, features and benefits, quality, what's it used for, who needs this, pros and cons, pricing, frequently asked questions, overall value, tips and tricks, and final thoughts. So it creates these articles, and as you can see on here, they're really action. They're just brilliant, action-packed articles. We've got tables going in here. Who needs it? Pros and cons. Even the layout of the actual article is well formatted, and the images are pulled in from the websites. So it looks pretty good, doesn't it? So this is the website. So now let's look at some of the numbers, because it has been literally 28 days for this. So if I come here, let me go onto the back end. So this is the back end of the website. So that's how it looks on the front of the website. This is what it looks like on the back end. Okay. So down here we have got, let me show you this. So this is Google Sitekit. Okay. Now if I scroll down here, I want to show you this. If I go, oh sorry, let me move this down. If I come down here to locations, you can see at this moment in time, we have had visitors from the United States, United Kingdom, Australia, India, and other countries. We can also see over here, we've had 158 users on the website. And I mean, don't worry about this number here, this 3,000% growth, because the previous 28 days, we didn't have any numbers, okay? But it's straightforward and simple. And you can see down here, look, search traffic over the last 28 days. We've had 400 impressions. We've had 31 clicks on Google from the content. And you can scroll down here and see the numbers on here. Okay. But I also always like to double check these numbers and make sure everything what this plugin over here, this Sitekit is telling me matches up with Google. So we've had 158 users. So if I come over here into Google Analytics, I just cross-reference it to make sure the information I am getting on the back end of the website here matches what we've got in analytics, and it normally does. So we can see here we've had 158 users, which matches this over here, which is awesome. Total number of sessions and views, and if we come down here, we can see we've got United States, United Kingdom, Australia, India, Malaysia, Saudi Arabia, even Vietnam. And then you can see the different articles, and this over here is the last. Let me change that to 28 days. Let's change that. You can see the different articles whereby people have been going. So we've had people going over to Opus Club. We've had them on side hustles. We've also had them on repurpose, so review articles. So that's all great. And then again, I just double check this over here inside of the Search Console. So we can see here in the last 28 days on Google, we've had 396 impressions. We've had a total of 31 clicks from Google over to the website, with an average click-through rate of 7.8%, and then we've got an average position of 43.2. So that's the numbers so far. So again, 31 clicks. This matches what we have got over in the Sitekit, which is down here, 31 clicks. So the question is, have we earned any money from this? And the answer is yes. We earned, I think it was $2 or $3. It wasn't a lot of money. Basically, somebody had gone ahead and tried out this piece of software, this Koala Writer, and we earned a commission from this. I think it was about $3. But the interesting thing about that was, if I come over here, over to the university and go into the case study, we earned that money after, I think it was day 15. Let me come down here, go and have a look at this really quickly. Let's just scroll past all of this. And where are we? Day 10, press release, YouTube, day 15. So you can see on here, it took us exactly 15 days to earn our first commission, and it wasn't a lot, okay? So it's normally around this point whereby we've been doing something for a month and we've earned $3, let's call it $3. People would probably think it's not worth the time, it's not worth the effort, I'm going to move on to the next shiny object. And this is what happens with many things, because it can be frustrating. It can take time, it can take more time than what you'd originally thought. But the points to highlight is the content that we have had created over on this website, in terms of a time, for my time putting all the content on here, I haven't had to do a lot. I literally go over here and I get this software here to create the content for me. I've just got to go to the campaigns and fill out the information. Now, you can have this create 10 articles at once. You can have it create 100 if you really wanted to. I've probably gone a little bit on the lower side by not putting out I don't know. It's kind of testing these things. But on this website, as I've mentioned, we've got over 100. Well, I'll show you. Let's come over here. Let's go to posts, all posts, and we'll see how many. I'm sure we've got like 100 and. Oh, you can see on here we've got 122 published articles, and I've got rid of 5 in here because basically they were duplicates. And again, I'll show you that to prove this method here. Look, how do I make money with AI? I had for some reason when I was using the software, I just clicked on create. I think it was 6 articles, and I just kept all of the same keywords stupidly. My fault. So we've got 122 articles on here. But look, I just wanted to share with you an update on this, share behind the scenes of what we're doing with this, and and moving forward, the plan with this moving forward is we're going to continue putting out articles like informational articles. And if you don't know what that means, is an informational article is whereby someone would type a keyword into Google or a search engine, and something like this is AI really in demand? And we've got other ones down here like AI side hustles for success. How do I start investing in AI? These here are informational articles. At the same time, whilst we are populating the website with informational articles, I will continuously be putting in review articles, because essentially that's where we're going to be making the money from with this website, whereby somebody lands on the website, clicks an affiliate link, and purchases something or signs up for something. We'll be earning money that way. But yeah, 28 days, we have a website. It's looking good. It's populated with great articles. We've earned some money, and we're also getting clicks from Google. So where will this be in the next 3 months, 6 months? I don't know, but we'll continue with this in the background, and I'll probably give you an update probably in a couple of months, okay? So yeah, that's today's video. And by the way, if you want to go ahead and check out this piece of software, I will leave a link below to the article for you where I share with you basically everything, the pricing of this, what it is, and I think from memory, I think we have a review video on here as well. So I'll show you in a bit more in depth how to use the article, what to do with this pricing, the whole pricing on here, and other bits. So I'll put a link to this down below. I'll copy this for you now. So yeah, if you've got any questions or comments, please let me know. But yeah, take care, and I'll see you soon.